Thinking of selling your home in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada? Here's the step-by-step process to get the best deal and a smooth sale. Let's dive in. My name is Anne Mowbray. First, hire a realtor. A professional realtor helps with pricing, marketing, and negotiations. They'll provide a comparative market analysis to determine the right price. Pro tip: choose an experienced agent who knows your local market. Next, prepare your home. Declutter, clean, and stage your home for the best first impression. Consider minor repairs or upgrades to increase your home's value. Pro tip: professional photos and staging can help sell faster. Then list your property. Your realtor will list your home on MLS and other platforms. Marketing includes social media, open houses, and virtual tours. Pro tip: great descriptions and professional photography attract more buyers. Now, review offers and negotiate. Buyers will submit offers. Your agent will help review and negotiate. Consider price, conditions like financing and inspection, and closing dates. Pro tip: the highest offer isn't always the best. Look at the conditions too. Once you accept an offer, meet conditions. The buyer will work on financing and inspection. If conditions are met, the sale becomes firm. Pro tip: be prepared for negotiations if the home inspection finds issues. Next, involve your lawyer for paperwork. Your real estate lawyer will handle legal documents, title transfer, and closing costs. Pro tip: ensure all property taxes and utilities are up to date. Finally, closing and moving out. Once everything is signed and the buyer transfers funds, the sale is closed. Hand over the keys and move on to your next adventure. Pro tip: plan your moving timeline to avoid last-minute stress. Selling your home doesn't have to be stressful. If you need expert guidance, feel free to reach out. Let's get your home sold. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more real estate tips.